Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to do some ribs super hot, super fast on the Weber Kettle, and we will be using, picked up some gospel barbecue rub from Meat Church. We're going to try that out a little bit, and we're going to hit that with a little bit of peach honey barbecue sauce. So y'all stick around, I'll meet y'all back here in a minute. Y'all, we're gonna hit our spare ribs. Now, I just did a quick backyard trim on them, but we've got the Meat Church Gospel barbecue rub. We're gonna hit it with that, and boss picked me up some peach and honey barbecue sauce from Colorado. He was just doing some traveling and stuff, and Smoking Butts Sauce Company. So we're gonna try that out a little bit. But I'll come down here and let's get these things seasoned up, because I'm getting kind of hungry, man. Curious to see how this Meat Church Gospel is gonna taste. Oh, look at that, pretty color. Yeah, buddy. All right, gang, we'll get this seasoned up, and I'll meet y'all out here by the grill. Alright, we got our ribs put on here, indirect on the Weber. We're gonna let this go a little while, and we'll come back and check on it, y'all. And we'll check our temps on the Wi-Fi in between. Alright, y'all, I'm going more by temp, not necessarily by time on this cook. As y'all can see, the big end is showing 188, the small and the thin end is showing 200, and boy, it sure smells good. Y'all can see I'm out in the shade, so y'all can see there. Well, let's go verify this with the thermal pin here. Let's set this dude right here. Pop this lid off. Man, I hadn't been going maybe an hour, but we're sitting on about 410 on our temp. So let's knock the lid off this thing. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 197, 186. Look at there, nice and tender, man. Now see that? They're going in like butter. Look, no resistance at all. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put us some of that honey peach barbecue sauce on. Look at that nice pullback, y'all. All right, let me go get this right here, and we'll get this finished up, and we'll try out this Meat Church Gospel and the new barbecue sauce. So we'll be right back. All right, let's get us some sauce put on here. Peach and Honey Smoking Butts Barbecue Sauce Company. We're gonna see. Alright, we're gonna give that about 10, I guess. Let it glaze up a little bit, and we'll be back, check on it. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Got our ribs, let them set and cool off for about 15 minutes or so. Uh-oh, there you go. Let's cut us one of these dudes up. Go right down by the bone here. Ooh, look at that, nice and juicy. You see that juice running out of there? Let's get us a taste of this gospel barbecue rub with this honey peach. barbecue sauce. Boy, that looks nice. I got a little smoke on it, y'all. I went by temp. I pulled like 200, I think, close to it, right at 200. But nice color. Y'all, it smells terrific. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah. That sauce and that rub's a good combination. Nice bite through. That, my friends, is finally looking good. I like the Meat Church Gospel rub. Y'all know how it is shooting the video, right? Anyway, and the honey peach. I don't know. I think I put it back in the fridge. Anyway, we're gonna dish up. Miss Carrie made some steamed broccoli and some homemade mashed potatoes. We're gonna plate it up, get out of here. I'll get y'all a couple of pictures. Y'all have a good weekend. We'll see y'all next time. Bye bye. All right. Look at that nice pull back on them bones, y'all. That's what I like. Look at that. Get on out of there. That's all right.